I grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up.
Wake up early and do what you love, man. Right now, August is taking his mid-morning nap, or late morning nap rather. As soon as he wakes up, we're gonna go to Costco, because you know that domestic life, that washed up life, Costco is the #1 stop for your groceries. Anyway, we're gonna go to Costco, pick up a few things for the house, do some meal prepping, music class, another gorgeous day outside. So we're gonna try to spend as much time outdoors as we possibly can, because you never know with this place. Never know. So we are at the J Pizzle, formerly known as Robinwood, and St. Patty's Day, and your boy has some Irish in him, and yeah, so we're having brunch, and I just ordered the Philly cheesesteak bomb. Like I mentioned, I love to eat. Not always the healthiest options, but I make up for it in the gym. So, hey, anyway, enjoying this beautiful morning with the fam. My little man eating peanut butter. And look at this little, boop, boop. And then we're gonna go to Costco. And Whole Foods, so we've got tons to get done today. We are off to Costco. Man, I look forward to trips to Costco now.
It's fun.
It's fun. You know, we get a ton of stuff that'll last us a few weeks.
Get those beef patties.
Few months. Ooh, them Jamaican patties. Some good stuff, some good stuff. Pull up to Costco, but the thing is, this kid is still asleep. So the dilemma we face, do we wake him up or wait till he wakes up? Knowing him, he could be there for like another hour and a half, man, just slumped, because he is the slump god. Pretty busy at Costco today. We are just navigating through. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, just navigating through, grabbing what we want and need. Look at all these diapers for you, kid. You're in a world of hurt. In your booty. Ooh, I think he pooed.
Oh yeah?
First mission accomplished. I think August pooed, which will suck. But now we gotta go to Whole Foods and then circle back to the crib. Back to the crib, yeah. And not that we often keep score, but she just informed me that it's my turn to change August in public. Like, who keeps these stats? Like,
people who have to do it all the time because it's only in ladies' rooms.
Yeah, exactly. You know, what you want me to, like, on the men's bathroom floor?
I'm sure there's going to be one in Whole Foods. They're very progressive.
Oh, all right. We'll see. We'll see. All right, peeps. The evening is winding down. Evening winding down.
Believe it or not.
Aaron and I are cooking dinner. Now I got a whole boatloads of things to do, especially this week. I'm laying the foundations for that program that I talked to you guys about, or I mentioned, and like tons of projects that I want to work on, cause your boy is trying to make some bank, and everything that I'm working on is part of that vision to make that bank. All right, so tons to work on. Going to wind down with the family because it's going to be a busy week. This is the week of the summit as well. So if you have not, and you are in the Boston area, if you haven't signed up yet, the link is going to be in the description below. So come join your boy March 20th, Wednesday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. or even beyond, because we're going to be kicking it shortly after the summit. You know, this is going to be a momentous occasion. Like, I'm just so excited. So yo, hit the description below, sign up. If you're not in the Boston area, we will be streaming it, so stay tuned for that. Join the Fit Pro Development League Facebook group to find out more information. All right, I gotta sign off because, you know, it's me and her and his time. We're cutting into that time right now, but you know how I feel about you guys, right? I love you guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala. All right, peace.